Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, Apple CarPlay is supposed to make driving safer and music easier to control, but sometimes Amazon Music just refuses to cooperate. Maybe the app won't open, songs won't play, or the icon doesn't even show up on your dashboard. So this can be hard to manage, especially when you are ready to hit the road. But the good news is, most CarPlay issues are very easy to fix with a few simple steps. So in today's small tutorial, I'll walk you through the most common solutions to get Amazon Music working again on CarPlay. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, we want to check our CarPlay compatibility. Make sure your car supports Apple CarPlay. Most newer, basically cars do, but some older models may not. Also confirm that Amazon Music is fully installed on your iPhone and updated to the latest version. Then you're gonna go and check the CarPlay settings on iPhone by going through your iPhone, go to Settings, General, look for CarPlay, tap on your car or the name of your car at least, enter Customize, make sure Amazon Music is listed and toggled on. If it's not listed, scroll down and add it from the available apps. You can also try and restart your iPhone. A simple restart can clear up any temporary glitches and it would free up more RAM. You can also restart your iPhone and reconnect to your car. Check your USB cable if you are trying wired CarPlay. If you are using like a wired connection, make sure you are using a certified Apple Lightning cable. Try a different cable as well. Cheap or damaged cables often cause connection issues. Also try plugging into a different USB port in your car if available. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.